Hey guys, welcome to the Element Pack widget tutorial. In today's video, we are exploring the ACF gallery widget with customizations and a live use case. Let's start. Let's start with the ACF plugin. ACF is a premium plugin, so if you are going through this video, please make sure to purchase ACF separately and install it on your website. If you already have it installed, simply click on the ACF field group option and then click on Add New. Now, we will create a new field group for the image gallery. First, put the name of the group on top. From the field type option, type and select Gallery. Then insert the field label and name slug right below. You can leave the rest as it is. Now save changes. You can see that the custom field has been successfully created. Now, let's create a new page from the WordPress dashboard. Inside the page, you will see a custom field below. It's not showing right now because we need to select a page from the set rules of ACF, like this. Let's reload our page. Below, you can see a button that says Add to the Gallery. Click on the button, and then start selecting images for your gallery. Nice! Now update the page. Now let's switch to Elementor Editor. The rest of the customization will happen there. Once we're in, let's switch to the Elementor canvas page layout. We can start with a container and add a heading widget. Of course, make sure the ACF gallery widget is activated from the Element Pack third-party widgets dashboard. Now, let's search for the ACF gallery widget and place it right under the heading. At the start, it won't show any content. From the options on your left, click on the gallery field and type in the name of the gallery that we created earlier. Once selected, the widget will immediately load the content. Here, you can change the image resolution, as well as select an image mask. You can do some padding adjustments to properly space the heading and the gallery. Back into the ACF gallery. Under the gallery layout section, you can change the number of columns and the gaps between them. Another thing, from the first section, you can also choose skin for the gallery. You can choose hidden, which hides the gallery items under a button. Then, from the additional section, you can change the button alignment. From the Style tab, let's change the color of the button text and button background. Then customize the padding and border radius to give it a nice content area. Now, save changes. Clicking on the button will open the gallery in Lightbox view like this. Your users can swipe to the next item with the arrow. Let's close it. Now, see what happens if you switch to carousel skin. The gallery shows the Lightbox view button on hover, and there are two arrows on both sides to change the carousel lineup. From Layout, you can change the height of the images. Then from the Style tab, under the Navigation section, you can customize the size and space of the arrows. Additionally, there's an offset option at the bottom. Not to mention, you can change the colors of the arrows. Clicking on the images will open them in Lightbox. That part is the same. Back to the skin option, let's continue with the default skin. Then from the Layout section, let's customize the image height. Then adjust the gaps in columns and rows, saving the changes. Now, if you want to show captions for your gallery images, simply turn on the caption switcher at the bottom of the Layout section. But to show the captions, your images need to have captions. That you can do by either visiting the page back or through the media library. Just edit each image and insert captions. Now that the captions are there, yes, they will show on hover. So, under the Style tab, go into the Caption section and change the color for better visibility. Once again, back to the Layout section, you can choose to show the caption always below the images. Change back the color to show. Also, you can add a caption background color for a more professional outlook. That's just it. Now, from the Additional section, you can play with the alignment for the content overlay or lightbox icon. Also can change the vertical alignment of the icon. You can also change the caption position here. Now, let's explore the image mask option. Be sure to take your time here because there are lots of masking options available for you to pick. Okay, this was another style that you could publish your gallery with. Now, let's revert all changes up to this point. We have one more surprise to show, the Spotlight mode. It shadows all the galley images and only illuminates the selected one. From the Style tab, you can edit the Spotlight mode outer color like this. Once again, turning off Spotlight mode. Turn on the Tilt Effect button. This feature adds tilt animations to the gallery items, so hovering over them will result in movements in the images, and you can change the scale of the tilt. Again, the amount of tilt shown will vary with the number of columns. Less means more tilt show. Like this, you can easily create stylish image galleries with the ACF Gallery widget. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content. See you next time.